Riwruog mar kuonde thieth mag ji gi wegi mano Rural Private Hospital Association of Kenya oramoni nyaka chulgi omenda magidwaro eka gibiro dhi nyime kod chiwo thieth ne jotuo matiyo kod kadi mar NHIF. Kotelni kod jakom margi Laktar Brian Lishenga. Gikoni piny owacho ni kod gopgi maromo shillings bilion 22 kendo nyaka sani isikonogi mana ni biro chulgi kapok ji odar kadhi NHIF ma ichano chaki dwe mar 7 higani. Ma gikoni ogibirito kendo nyaka kongi kaka ichano chak chul omenda no.
God is good, and all the time.
Will be any resolutions of the association.
Put your hands together for the prayer. 4 hospitals only, and we had only 12 members at them. And this is the center.
A lot of providers have gone for many months without substantial payment. So what we as an association are asking for is some sort of immediate relief that is substantive. Now, immediate relief that is substantive may be 50%, maybe 60%. That is subject to our AGM this evening. And whatever resolution comes out of that, we will be happy to communicate to the authority and say, even as you negotiate and you talk to National Treasury on our behalf, really, this is really the minimum we can accept to alleviate the pressure that is there in the health system. We can expect it the way we expect the return of Christ.